Good morning, guys. We're in Titusville waiting on some parts so I can fix my bobstay. We had an accident in St. Augustine's. Trying to keep busy doing things, and today I am going to work on my autopilot. I made a stove for Heidi, so she can stand behind the steering wheel and see over the top of the boat. We call them stoves instead of stools in our family, because when our kids were young, I guess they couldn't say stool, so they said stove. So that's what I'm doing today. If you have one of these extensions, you don't have to take the prop off. We're going to go twice as fast, use half as much fuel, and get up on plane in just a few seconds. All right, all done. Water maker commissioned, and we are making water.
Flame blue is going out. Second stage should be kicking in.
Hey there!
Hey guys, we are in Fort Pierce, and we are getting ready to cross to the Bahamas via Lake Worth.
Yes, yeah, we're doing an overnight passage, but we are excited to hit the Bahamas with some toothbrushes.
Heading out. Next stop is the Bahamas in approximately 20 to 24 hours. We are hugging the buoy. There's a big boat coming in. St. Lucie. It's St. Lucie Inlet right now. There's kind of a storm cell above us, and the seas went to 4 to 6 feet. Wind right on our nose. Sustained winds at 22. Bashing and bashing and bashing. A nice calm day and our nice calm forecast. It ain't. We made it to West End. Just pulled in. Heidi grabbed her stuff and she's headed to check in. We're on the fuel dock, tied up here so we could go do customs. We got into some really bad weather and had to turn around, but it's all right. I think it took us 30 hours total to get here from Fort Pierce. We're here, we're safe. We'll be here till July, hopefully.
We made it!
We're here.
Yay!
We're going to town. We're back.
Where are we going today?
We are going snorkeling out on a mooring ball way out in the ocean. He's looking for shells like normal. All play and no work makes Chuck a cranky boy. So I don't want you guys to think that all I do is sit on the beach and smoke cigars and drink Mai Tais, because it's not quite it. So I'm working a little bit. Hey guys, we just checked into Taino Beach Resort in Port Lucaya, so thought I'd show you where we're staying. There's Heidi. Nice sized bathroom. Decent sized shower. Full size fridge. Kitchen. Microwave. There's our bedroom. TV. There's our little computer station and his and hers closets. Comes with pots and pans and silverware. We have a toaster. We haven't had toast since December when we left Colorado. Little dining area and then a nice sized room. This converts to a bed. That converts to a bed. And here's our little patio. Table and 4 chairs. Straight out to the pool. So we'll be here for a week. We'll still be going back to the boat, which is right over there. I don't know if you can see the white building over there, but our boat's not far away. We like handing one toothbrush to one kid rather than handing a whole stack of these to the teacher and then have the teacher hand them out later on. The kids enjoy seeing them and handling them, and then we can take pictures of them when they hold all their stuff up. But thanks to everyone for their help that's making this possible.
This has been so rewarding.
It is. It's been awesome. been awesome. We've met a ton of new people that are enthused with what we're doing and they want to help. And so we have people bringing us stuff. And all on a 36-foot sailboat. We need a bigger boat. Look at the camera. Be right back.